Welcome back to Instables, everyone. Welcome to the night countdown. I'm going to go over GME with you guys getting into the NFT space. A lot of people care, so we're going to have a nice swing trade or a long play from here. I'm going to go over exactly which levels we're trying to hold above to make sure we do not continue on down, and which indicators would give us confirmation to contain this momentum that we got from this NFT news that we got on Thursday. And also, I do welcome you to the Instables room if you happen to be interested in intraday perspective breakouts. I mentioned pre-market news before market open every single day. Most breakouts have been pre-market news into open. Any halts worth looking at throughout the day or any major breakout alerts worth looking at throughout the day, I mentioned all throughout the day. Go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. So let's run this one. So I'm going to go over GME with you guys here on the forward chart so you guys can see what we're looking for to have a continuation on up and what exact levels are we trying to hold above to make sure we do not continue on down. Now, before I get started, again, if you happen to be interested in intraday perspective breakouts, go to instables.com in the description below and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. So jumping into the 4-hour chart with you guys here on GME, again, we had a major breakout previously from $50 being confirmed here on this major breakout at $50. Jumping all up to where we saw again at $500, having over 1,000% breakout here on GME. And as you guys can see, we had our major sell-off and respected this $50 mark and had a major breakout again and spiked up all the way up to $197. And we did continue on up and jumped up all the way up to where we saw at $345. And then we had some consolidation bouncing off of this level here that we had our consolidation and our continuation from exactly here at 120. And then had this continuation up and also got rejected here again at $345 at our previous rejection point that we had. And then has been consolidating since then, having lower lows and looking to see if we can hold these levels as we just got into the NFT space. Now, again, we did have this spike on Thursday. And as you guys can see, we did have a spike. And now looking to see if we can continue on with that momentum and hold this level that we had here previously at 120. Now we jumped all the way up to $160 on Thursday and then now sitting at $136 on Friday. Looking to see if we can hold this 120 level that we did previously hold and had this continuation up. Got rejected, but however did hold this level, a very strong level that we had consolidation from and a major bounce that we had here at 120. So holding over 120 will be very key for us to make sure we do not continue on down. If we cannot hold over 120 and we do have a gap down and drop all the way down to $50, then I will be purchasing at this point to have a nice bounce. And again, this would be a quick swing trade, in my opinion, from a bounce at $50 if we do continue on down. In my opinion, with this NFT news that did come out, we have a good reason for a nice bounce if we do continue all the way down to $50. Again, I'm not hoping for that to happen, but if it does come down, then I will be playing that bounce here at $50. Now, of course, I hope we hold these levels and we do continue on up from this NFT news, but at this point in time, we do have the 20-moving average dropping below the 50 still on the forward chart, showing us that we do have more bearish momentum. So we do need to make sure we can hold 120 going into this week and this month. If we cannot hold over 120, then I will be looking for that bounce here at $50 from our previous confirmations on these breakouts. Now, if we can hold 120 as a support, then I will be looking to see if we can jump back over 220. I'm going to measure here on the VPVR so you guys can see our volume profile. This is the most amount of volume that was traded within the stock's time period. I'm going to measure all the way up to our recent breakouts that we had, not the major breakout that we had, but I'm going to measure everything after that. As you guys can see, on Thursday, we got rejected just to the upside, exactly where our strongest point was on the VPVR. So looking to see if we can jump over this level here at 180, but we do have a lot less resistance within all of these levels here. So I would want to see if we can jump back over 120. As you guys can see, if we do jump over 120, then we have a lot more room to run with a lot less resistance to hold us back from a major breakout. So I will be looking to see if we can jump over 120 to have a continuation up if we do continue on to hold this 120 level. So either we continue on down at 120 or we do jump back over 220 for more confirmation on that breakout. That is how I'd be playing into this one. If you guys want to hold GME and you guys are playing this long, then that's a whole nother story. But if we're looking for consistent momentum and confirmation on that momentum, this is how I'd be playing into it. So quick recap, I want to make sure we can hold 120 or get that bounce at $50 if we do continue on down below 120 or have a major breakout over 220 with confirmation on the MACD is exactly how I'd be playing into this one. And making sure we do justify every one of our breakouts is going to stay very key here on this channel as always. Now, again, I do welcome you to the Instables room. If you do want to see all of our breakout alerts of the day, go to instables.com in the description below and you will never miss a breakout alert today. Again, all of you Instables that have been coming over and supporting the channel, all of you Instables that have been coming over from the room and supporting the channel as well, I appreciate every one of you guys. Much love to every one of you guys. God bless you guys. I hope you guys had a great weekend. We are going to be going back at it in pre-market. I know the market has been very choppy. We are going to continue to let the plays come to us, stay very patient, and making sure we do stay consistent in the Instables room is going to stay extremely key in the Instables room. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help to find it and it does help the channel grow. And I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.